This video will show you how to do MLA format if you are using the CAC word processing document. I realized after I made the other video that's for if you have the Microsoft Word software, and it's a little bit different if you use Microsoft Word from your student email. If you have the downloaded version of Microsoft Word, I would recommend using that, but if you do not, to save you having to purchase Microsoft Word, which can be very expensive, you can use the one that the college offers. When you log into your email, you're going to see this screen. So you will click on Word right here, and then you will get this screen. And if you scroll over here, you're going to see the paper that says MLA style. You can go ahead and use this template to help guide you through setting up your paper. Once you download it, it will look like this. So begin by setting your header. It already defaults to Times New Roman, size 12 font, and click on the little header link, and then you have these brackets and it says your last name. So go ahead and take all of that out. You will put your last name. So it's not mine, it's yours. So I'll put just name here, and then you have these right here with the page number. It says we'll add the page numbers here, so you don't have to do anything with that. Then you will click out of there and it'll go away. If you don't see this taskbar here, it might be there's a little arrow here. It might be because you clicked on that, and if you want to bring it back, go to home and it will come back, and then click on this little pin and it will pin it so that it stays. So if you don't see this toolbar, that's why, because this little arrow got clicked right there. So in your heading, it's kind of nice with this format template because you know exactly what to put. So you will put your student name, and instructor name will be me. And put Sarah Keyser. The course number is English 90. And then the date, remember in MLA format you put the day, and then the month, and then the year. When you get to title, it says title and subtitle. So you're just going to click in the title. So if your next paper is about your great vacation, you're going to put my great vacation. And then you are ready to start typing your paper. So you will take this out. It already automatically indents to 5, and just begin your paper here. So you want to make sure you get rid of all this so it doesn't show up in your final draft. So once you type your essay, then you are ready to save it and print it. So to save it, you're going to do this. You're going to go to File, and you're going to go to Save As. And you want to download a copy. See this ODT? You don't want to make it an ODT file or a PDF file. You want to download a copy of this Microsoft Word. So click on that, and then it's saving it, and then it says your document is ready. So download, and then you can bring it up here, and then you'll click on Enable Editing, and you can see your page numbers are in there. The font and everything is correct and centered. This looks like this just because I didn't remove it all, but once you type in your essay, it'll be there. You can see that the spacing and everything is correct. Let me just check and make sure. Yeah, so everything is correct. So then you will want to save this to your desktop before you upload it to me. So once again, you'll go File, Save As, and wherever you choose to save it, make sure you title it you can put your name on there, and then save it to your desktop or your jump drive or wherever you're going to save it, and then click on Save, and now it's ready to upload into the assignment file. So I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions.